Hello friends, I am KRITHI from 4SN ISA. Startup company, propose name, machine master tech and manufacturers. Product present name, electrical vehicle. Product proposed name, spark drive. Mentioning some of the requirements and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First, electric vehicle should have features of displaying license and RC in the screen so that we can avoid paying fine and no worry of losing. Second, DL information, security features. Define. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many few features are added to the existing product. Existing product name, electric vehicle, futuristic product name, spark drive. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Camera to capture number plates, biometric authentication, health monitoring sensors. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to the time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch and the sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment on your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.